Hi guys, so I made another batch of knives. This is the Elmax hunting knife, this is the Elmax small hunting knife, and this is the bushcraft knife. I did have 4 of each, but I sold 3 of the hunters already and 1 of the bushcraft knives. It all started with this one. I wanted to make a bushcraft camping style of knife. So I really like the way it turned out. It works great, but it's unnecessary heavy. So I decided to make another one, kind of in the same way I made this, but only thinner. As you can clearly see, it's thinner, same stock, same steel. It's 80 CRV2, but this one is much lighter. One issue, however, is I think the handle was a little bit too small. So on the next one, I made sure to make the handle a little bit broader. The handle is white oak, and I added blue G10 liners. The logo on the bushcraft knife is my dog laying down. The hunter, iron desert wood, orange G10 liners. This is the small hunting knife. This is Elmax steel as well. It has a hollow grind. The liners are orange G10. The handle on the small hunting knife is a leftover plank from my parents' cabin, repurposed into a knife handle. Although I'm no leather craftsman, I think the sheath turned out decent. All the handles are saturated with food-safe boiled linseed oil, and I gave it a coat of Renaissance wax.